Lenny?
Get him back.
Uh-oh.
Time was running out. We had very little time to pack everything we owned into boxes before we'd be flying back to Australia. We were about to say goodbye to La Vagabond II forever. Well, actually, given we can even get on our flight after a recent development.
So we were wondering whether or not we should vlog about what I'm about to tell you. Riley pulled me aside today and said, Elena, I'm worried that I might have COVID.
What's going on here, Tim?
Lunch break.
Tofu and coconut oil. That's really yum.
What's Lenny? What's Andre?
Some sharks, some crappy animation
I
somebody
think you
made.
might be a bit close to the screen there, Lenny. Gonna lean back a bit, mate.
Cheers, guys. Thanks for this morning. Been a busy morning. How have you liked participating in the video?
Yeah, super fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been good.
It's not normally like that, Tom. Oh, yeah. It's normally more chilled. That was like a, I don't know, it was like a movie.
No, we normally clean all synchronised and to a beat.
Only way to do it. How are you, Dre?
I like it when it's complicated to film.
Why?
It's much more fun.
He's not lying about that. This is Dre a little while ago flying his drone for the Austrian ocean race team and casually slipping down the back of the boat whilst still filming. Brilliant. Good on you, Dre.
Oh boy.
Good job.
So we worked on Iona's room today, pulled everything out from underneath the bed, cleared Lenny's wardrobe, and packing stuff into boxes, and then also trying to pack some stuff in the suitcase for Australia because we have to think about Australia, and then going to the new boat after that. And what have you guys done today?
We've cleaned all the stainless steel and scrubbed all the rust out, cleaned the bilges and cleaned the deck and just unpacked. Yeah.
It's your camel.
Camel.
It's your camel. Can you show me?
Camel.
Camel.
Beautiful. I promised my friend George, this is Morgan and George, not George Bluewater Spearfishing George, that I would take him freediving before I left. I had taken Iona out a few times in the preceding weeks, so we all went out and with some gentle coaching, George managed to double his depth from 9 metres to 18 in the one afternoon. Then, a couple of days later, George, this is Bluewater Spearfisherman George, not Morgan and George, took myself and Darcy out for Darcy's first time spearfishing for wahoo. Darcy's first and my last time for probably a year or more, as we had a baby to deliver and a boat to build.
You got it?
Yep.
So, Iona, where are we putting these boxes?
We're dumping them on George's boat, who I don't know if you guys have met, but we're stealing all his space. He'll have a shock when he comes back.
It's pretty stressful. So Riley pulled me aside today and said, Elena, I'm worried that I might have COVID. I have a headache. Yesterday I was coughing and I'm really tired, and it's super unlike him to claim such a thing. He has isolated himself in a hotel room. We've just been organising for him to get a COVID test. Yeah, we don't get the results for another 2 days. So yeah, it's just going to be us on the boat, him in the room, going crazy. I really hope he doesn't have it, because if he does, then it's likely we might have it. Anyway, we're isolating ourselves too on the boat. We're just not going to see anyone. No one has any symptoms yet. And yeah, we're just going to wait and see what happens, I guess. Very weird times, but if we get COVID right now, it's 11 days until we fly. It might not be out of our system yet. Our flights might get cancelled. It would be the worst thing if we got COVID right now. Please, no. Just gonna grab Riley's shower bag for him and deliver that, as well as some food. He's decided to get takeout tonight. I'm only smiling because the chances are so small of him actually having COVID. The cases have been really low here in Antigua. We'd be super, super, super unlucky. So I don't think he has it, and so we're smiling for now. There's no point worrying too much until we get the results back. You have no idea what's going on, Lenny, do ya? You don't care.
It was a good thing Riley was just across the road at the Antigua Yacht Club Hotel. Our friend hooked us up with a room during this time, as well as a spot in the marina here. If any of you guys are visiting Falmouth and Antigua by boat or on foot, make sure you look them up.
Riley, it's me. Hey, there's your stuff.
Stay away from me.
Aww, I'm sad. What have you been doing? There's no need for that.
Nah, I've been, I don't know, just sitting down, but like, I did some work, wrote some emails.
Good. You need anything else?
No, as long as I got food, I'm alright.
Alright. What about water?
It's like, I'm really lucky that we're able to just stay here.
Alright, love you, Schmooky.
Love you too. Pretty daunting times. I knew that if we were to miss our flight because I contracted COVID, Elena would be too pregnant to fly internationally by the time we could get new flights. We had so much trouble booking them in the first place and having them all align. This would probably mean that the delivery of Clem Fandango Whitelam would ultimately occur in Antigua.
Good morning, friends. Bit of a squally day today. Low dark clouds just keep coming, and we've been hammered with rain all night. And then today, so it's a good day for boat jobs. We're gonna pack some more boxes. This morning I'm gonna pack the books, because we do plan to have a really nice bookshelf on the new boat. Books are something that Riley doesn't consider as like weight, because you know, he likes to have a light boat. Yeah, books to him are an exception. My shoes are not, however. We just found the dress up props bag. What else we got in here? We got some security tape. Why do you really suit that? This is the hidden cupboard that no one wants to face. This is our electronics spares kind of cupboard. It's very ugly and very messy. Our 62 terabyte or so of sailing footage we've stored over the years would be coming home safely with us in our carry-on to Australia, instead of being shipped to the new boat. Just couldn't risk the customs dudes looking through all of our footage and gathering up folders of Riley nude. Look what I just found. This is so big that we weren't able to keep it in the saloon on display, like our 100,000 plate. But yes, the gold plate is going away. Thank you guys for subscribing. This move wouldn't be possible without you guys. The new boat, everything. So, cheers.
With Tabasco sauce.
Thank you. You can put it on there. Legend. Oh, pizza, pizza, pizza. Yummy, yummy, pizza.
Give me a bit up.
Our friends left a bag of marshmallows on the boat. So we've decided to do a marshmallow eating competition. Well, not eating. You just put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
You see how many you can fit, because we don't want to eat them. That's why we're playing this
Said
game.
Lenny.
Do you like stuff them into your gums?
I have no idea.
One marshmallow.
We don't want to say anything though, because that's gross. You're eating it.
No. It's the same.
You're not allowed to chew it.
I didn't
Okay.
do it. You just
No, I saw what you were doing now.
All
You
right,
just
everybody one,
moved. Yep.
2,
No.
Oh, this is hard. 2,
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Six. How many did I get? You got 7. It's hard. It's so yuck. 8. Oh my god.
How?
Whoa, he's gonna keep going.
I only got 5.
Welcome back.
Thanks, mate. Hey, Lenny. You gonna say hi to your dad? Hey. Hey. Mwah.
So guess who's back on board?
Hello.
What happened?
Negative. What have you found?
This is from you, Riley. I love you more than I love lasagna. This is a fast cat. You couldn't have even known, because this is so long ago. So 12 months ago, we were in Amorgos. This is when we first met in Greece. So this is 2014 or 2015 by the time you wrote this card. Well, you think it was a different island, but who in the entire world could have guessed even a quarter of the shit we've done? Seriously, think about everything. From visiting Listo and the spa to buying and losing tenders, storms, shredding sails, crossing entire oceans for God's sake, running charters, and now perhaps funding the journey via the internet. That is a lifetime of memories, and I'm not even joking. You have turned my life completely upside down. This is a good thing, and I love you very much. But seriously, you have turned my life completely upside down. It was just me and La Vagabond, and now there are 3 of us. Now there's gonna be 5 of us. It was...
4. Oh, and the boat. Yeah, righto.
I think you know that we have something special, you and I. Everything else is exciting and could make our lives interesting, but that's all just extra stuff. As long as you're happy, then so am I. Love, Riley. How cute.
Yeah,
I'm so
it's a
pregnant and emotional.
You alright?
I guess it's just sad packing up. Like, this was Lenny's first boat. And just so much has happened, and now we're about to have another kid and build a new boat. Like, that's huge. And I'm so excited for it, but it's just like...
Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on, really.
It's crazy. Whoa! Brody and Lily in the Pacific Islands. Wow, this is like, whoa. This is from 2016.
Birthday to me, happy birthday!
That's my mum and Lenny in Australia. Lenny and Riley sailing up to New York. Can we talk about something other than catamarans now? Have you got it out of your system?
No. It's good fun.
This is our painting we did in the Azores.
Sonder, the realisation that each passerby is living a life as vivid and complex as your own.
Well, no artists. Lenny Jolly Jumper. We're gonna have to get a new Jolly Jumper for our next baby because Lenny loved it.
It looks the same size.
Your daddy's crazy, Lenny. He's crazy.
He spent hours in that.
Yeah.
Was nearly as good as babysitter.
We're gonna pull all these down now.
When I think about my life 6 years ago and what I knew then or didn't know, and everything we've done and all the adventures we've had since, like I said earlier when I was looking at the gold plaque, it really and truly wouldn't have been possible without you guys. So thanks for helping us make these memories and for following along.